Last time on Damon Live 783 plays Minecraft.
Since you've blown up my garden, get back to work!
Well, calm down, bro. I'll get back to work, gee. Okay, let's start.
Whoa! What do you think you're doing?
Planting melons.
I like beetroots! I demand beetroots! And thanks a lot for blowing up my garden. Now get back to work!
Fine.
That's right! Faster!
Dude, I'm being nice to you. And I'm treating you like royalty.
Oh yeah? Well, guess what? You nuked my garden off camera a little bit ago. Now I must punish you.
Oh, really? Punish me with what?
With this.
Oh, come on. Now, in case you acted like a jerk and killed me, you know what? I'm gonna blow you up.
No, you already nuked one of my gardens.
Well, you demanded me to plant beetroots. I'm being nice to you. You know what? You have gone too far.
Ah!
Right now. Now that I got my bazooka, my minigun, my night vision potion, and flint and steel, now I can have revenge on that idiot. Well, guess who come crawling back? I'm having my revenge here, you chicken.
What did you just call me?
Guess what? You're not my slave. Guess what? You're not my boss. You're not my boss.
Oh, yes, I am.
You better stop making me plant beetroots right now, or else I'll shoot.
Not gonna happen.
What is happening?
Ow! What is your problem? If you kill me, I'm gonna have enough.
Well, guess what? Shing! There, how does it feel? What?
That's right!
Oh, come on! I am not your slave!
Yes, you are! You came here! You worked for me!
Oh, really? Work this.
What? How did you do that?
I have something called the Excalibur, you loser.
Ow! Thanks a lot for creating the fire!
Wait, what's all that TNT? Guess what? I am going to nuke you again.
Oh, really? Not gonna happen!
Yeah, that's right.
You killed my son? You killed my son? What the freak is wrong with you?
Well, guess what? I killed your son for a reason, and I nuked your garden because you won't stop doing this. I was been nice to you. Guess what? Since you treat me like dog crap, guess what you're getting? There, I spawned in the world's biggest nuke, so you can die and never ever come back.
Guess what?
Haha! I got the nuke started. I don't care if you're a freaking mushroom. Guess what? I ignited the world's biggest nuke before you can speak.
Guess what? I'm still talking.
Oh, really? The world's biggest nuke is exploding.
Oh, yeah?
I got a bunch of chicken friends, a fence, and mine. I have upgraded to a mushroom so I can resist the explosion. No, you can't resist any explosions. There's explosions everywhere. There's no way you can survive this nuke. Let's play some music while this beauty is going.
Unfortunately, Fastball, the band, will not be able to enjoy that video. Word now that they've been missing for 72 hours. If anybody sees them, they might want to show them the way.
Woo, yeah, no more angry chicken anymore. Look at the damage that nuke done. Yup, it definitely worked. He is never coming back. There's still explosions, aren't they? I still see TNT, but anyways, we took care of the angry chicken once and for all.